How to install TV Mob on Firestick. So first turn on your Firestick device and go to Firestick Home. Click on the settings icon and then select My Fire TV option. To enable the developer option, click on About. If you have already enabled the developer option, then proceed to the step 10. Click on the Fire TV Stick option quickly at least 7 times. And then now you will see this message at the bottom saying no need, you're already a developer, so stop clicking then. Now the developer option will appear on the menu, so click on it, choose apps from unknown sources to turn it on, and simply click on turn on. Now return to your Firestick home by pressing the home icon on the remote and click on find. Now select search and then type downloader and press search. Select the downloader app icon from the list of available apps in the Amazon store. Tap the get or download button and wait for a while until the installation process is completed. Now click on open and select allow to give access to the downloader app. Click on OK here and this is the downloader app interface. So choose the home tab and click on the search bar. Now enter the TV Mob downloader code 730116 in the search box or enter the URL bit.ly/fsh downloads and click on go. Click on TV Mob from the live TV apps category. If the app does not start downloading, then clear the downloader app cache. Downloading will start, wait for it to finish. So once the download ends, click on install, select done, and click on delete. Select delete again to confirm your action, and that's it. You can continue using the TV Mob app on your Firestick.